Top 5 cleaning products. Clorox Disinfecting Bleach-Free Cleaning Wipes. Disinfecting wipes. All-purpose wipe. Multi-surface cleaner. Disposable wipe. No bleach. Cottonelle Ultra Soft Toilet Paper. 6 Family Mega Rolls. Contains 1 pack of 6 Family Mega Rolls. Premium soft 2-ply toilet paper. 3x thicker and 2x more absorbent per sheet versus biodegradable. Clog safe, sewer safe and septic safe. Pair with Cottonelle Fresh Feel Flushable Wipes. Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Clean and fresh, forest rain scent. Powers through toughest toilet stains in seconds. Disinfects and kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Destroys toilet bowl rings. Leaves your entire toilet bowl deodorized with fresh scent. Dial Liquid Antibacterial Hand Soap with Moisturizing Aloe. Helps soothe dry skin. Healthier skin. Healthier you. With moisturizers. Made in USA. Pump into hands. Wet as needed. Germ-X Sanitizer. Aloe, 10 fluid ounce bottle. Kills 99.99% of germs without water. Effective at eliminating 99.99% of many common harmful germs. Tough on germs, soft on hands. School supply essential for classrooms. Visit now on Eishops. Check link in description. Also like, comment, share and subscribe this channel.